Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to put up wooden slats. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to upgrade their living room or their bedroom with wooden slats. This is the setup that I have right now, where I got my wooden slats from the Wood Veneer Hub. So I'll leave a link to these down below in the description, but they were really easy to install, especially for someone who's never used the saw before. So my setup is basically that my left wall is green. This right here is 12 by 8 feet. These are my wooden slats. And then the right side of my wall is black. So I made it so that the wooden slats were flush against the wall, like right what you see over here. And then on the right side, because there was a gap and it didn't fit in perfectly, I just painted this black so that it would blend in with this wall right over here. Now, as far as actually measuring and cutting these wooden slats go, I used the circular saw to cut across the slats. I used the jigsaw to actually cut out the electrical plug outlet. I use the box cutter to cut more refinely within the felt that you see right over here. And then I use the sander to kind of smoothen out the edges of where the circular saw actually made its cuts. Now, as far as actually installing these go, it's pretty easy. For context, there's 6 panels across my wall right over here. And I used 9 drywall anchor screws. This one right here. I used 9 of them on each of the panels. So there would be 3 screws up top, 3 screws in the middle, and then 3 screws at the bottom. Now, I've seen on YouTube that there are multiple ways that you can install wooden panels. You can use glue, you can use wooden anchors. I decided to just use black wall anchors, which is something I haven't seen someone on YouTube talk about before. And they really do blend in well. Like, you can't even see it on the camera anymore. And so I've never had anyone point out any of the screws that were on these wooden panels. But that's the way that I installed it. There's multiple ways to actually do it. But if you guys have any questions at all, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.